everyone. Today we are learning some new words with their meanings. First word is furious. Its meaning is very angry. This person is furious. Second word is gorgeous. Its meaning is very beautiful. This person is gorgeous. Third word is massive. Its meaning is very big. Oceans are massive. Next word is deafening. Its meaning is very noisy. This voice is deafening. Next word is destitute. Its meaning is very poor. Floods make many people destitute. Word is spotless. Very clean. My t-shirt is spotless. Next word is brief. Very short. Yesterday I listened a story that was brief. Adios. Its